This is a great way to use ground beef. Now, this is old school empanadas. The ground beef is flavored with hot peppers, earthy cumin, and smoky paprika. To finish, green onion for a bite. My mom's kitchen, when I was a kid, was full of people when empanadas were being made. It just reminds me of those days. So good. If it's this good now, with a couple of hours in the fridge, all the flavors will meld in together, and it's gonna be wonderful. The longer it stays in the fridge, the tastier it will be. But first, we need the dough. 4 simple ingredients: flour, water, salt, and vegetable shortening. I want my dough to be soft and smooth, but I don't want to overwork it because I want the end result to be flaky. I'm rolling my dough into a log like a store-bought cookie dough. It's so simple and practical. You don't need a cookie cutter, there's no waste, and all of your empanadas will turn roughly the same size. How easy was that? Now I want it to rest for about an hour in the fridge. So I'm gonna wrap it in a little film wrap so it doesn't dry out. Empanadas in Argentina are everywhere. Every size, every taste, any shape that you can imagine. There are stores that make hundreds and hundreds of different flavors, and you can pick them, baked or fried. You can close your empanadas any way you want. I like crimping and making a nice braid to them. But using a fork is just as effective and really, really fast. There's two ways of cooking empanadas, baked or fried. A little egg wash on my beef empanadas are gonna make them nice and shiny right out of the oven. 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In Argentina, we love empanadas so much that we can't wait for them to cool down when they come off the oven. My dad has this little secret. Piping hot empanada and just 2 bites on each end. And now, let's blow off some steam. Now, you're ready to eat your empanada right off the oven. I chose 2 different sauces for my 2 empanadas. One, traditional chimichurri. So that little hole I just made is actually gonna help me get the chimichurri inside the empanada. So flaky. The little bit of acidity of the chimichurri goes great with the smokiness of the paprika. Oh my God. That's just a little pocket of heaven.